Find the minimum and maximum points xy of x squared plus y squared, where x squared plus xy plus y squared equals 19. Let x equal r cosine theta, y equal r sine theta. Equation 1 can be written as r squared cosine squared theta plus r cosine theta r sine theta plus r squared sine squared theta equals 19, which can be written as r squared times cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta plus sine theta cosine theta equals 19. Pythagorean identity: sine squared A plus cosine squared A equals 1. Double angle formula: sine 2A equals 2 sine A cosine A. So cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta can be written as 1. Sine theta cosine theta can be written as a half sine 2 theta. X squared plus y squared equals r squared equals 19 over 1 plus a half sine 2 theta. Since minus 1 is less than or equal to sine 2 theta is less than or equal to 1, so x squared plus y squared is minimum when sine 2 theta equals 1 and is maximum when sine 2 theta equals minus 1. Since 0 is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to 2 pi, so 0 is less than or equal to 2 theta is less than or equal to 4 pi. The minimum points are when sine 2 theta equals 1, 2 theta equals pi over 2, or 2 theta equals 2 pi plus pi over 2, theta equals pi over 4, or theta equals pi plus pi over 4. From equation 2, we have x equals y. Substitute y equals x in equation 1. We have 3x squared equals 19. X equals plus minus root of 19 over 3. Y equals plus minus root of 19 over 3. Thus, the minimum points xy equals root of 19 over 3, root of 19 over 3, and minus root of 19 over 3 minus root of 19 over 3. The maximum points are when sine 2 theta equals -1, 2 theta equals 3 pi over 2, or 2 theta equals 2 pi plus 3 pi over 2. Theta equals 3 pi over 4, or theta equals pi plus 3 pi over 4. From equation 2, we have x equals -y. Substitute y equals -x in equation 1. We have x squared equals 19. So x equals plus minus root 19. Y equals minus plus root 19. Thus, the maximum points x, y equals root 19 minus root 19 and minus root 19, root 19. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.